Hello, PVS scholars and parents. This is an overview of week 5 of 4th grade inquiry homework. In week 5, you're going to begin your project presentation work. Again, we have the same transdisciplinary theme and central idea. It says, now you will take the information that you've learned from your writing and show it in another way. You can use ideas off of the project presentation choice menu, and you can see the chart on the next page for that. And then here's the breakdown of days. Day 1, you're going to read the project presentation menu and you're going to circle the project that you would like to do to show your learning. Day 2, you're going to begin gathering items that you will need to complete your project and fill out the section called Presentation Day 2. In days 3 through 5, you're going to begin working on your project and fill out the section called Presentation Day 3 through 5. Let's take a look at what those look like. Now there's lots of different ideas on how to present your possible projects. This is the project presentation choice menu. It says choose one of the following boxes to present the information that you've learned and check the rubric on the back for specific criteria. It's actually going to be below. They could do something like make a brochure or a poster or write a skit or a graphic novel. They could make a board game or a slideshow or a video presentation, a diorama, a newspaper, timeline, mobile, scrapbook, some kind of art piece, song, rap, or poem, or create your own. Create your own section, I do ask that you ask for permission from the teacher. If you're coming up with an idea of how to present and it's not presented on here, just let me know what your idea is and I will say yes or no. So on day 1, all you have to do is circle which one you're going to do. If it's create your own, you're going to let me know. I would also ask that you write it down at the bottom what your create your own is. Then on day 2, you're going to start gathering the things that you need. So what is your final project going to be? Be specific. Is it a Google slideshow? Is it a poster? Is it a report or a model or a diorama? Down here, you're going to explain how you're going to present your information. Then it says, what steps will you need to take for this project? Make a plan. So you can write the steps. First, I'm going to do this. Then I'm going to do this. You have to write down the different steps of how you're going to complete the project. And then finally, it asks, what supplies are you going to need? This could be a list. Maybe you need a poster board, or maybe you just need a computer to work on if you're doing a slideshow. Write down what you're going to be using to show your project presentation. Then on days 3 through 5, what did you complete on your project this week? So once you've gathered up all that information and the sources that you need, what did you start on in days 3 through 5? And then what is your plan for the next week? What are you going to do next week in order to complete the project? And then does the project still relate to the central idea? And for instance, our first unit is challenges bring out ideas, responses, and actions and help us gain perspective. How does that still relate to the central idea? At the end of the week, I am going to be circling the criteria again. The criteria for week 5 is that scholars answered all the questions clearly and with complete sentences. They've completed all the presentation pages, and they've completed their reflection on how the project was related to the central idea. It's very important that you add in that piece too. We want to make sure you're still connected to our central idea. If you have any questions on week 5, please let me know. Thank you.